Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to prevent Windows from automatically adding keyboard layouts on your computer. So typically, if the display language and the keyboard layout are not in unison, Windows may attempt to update or add different layouts for the keyboard to match the language. And then if you want to turn off one or the other, and then I'll show you how to do that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to turn off the automatic keyboard layout. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung time and language. So click mo lang yan. At dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung typing. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung advanced keyboard settings. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa advanced keyboard settings, so under dito sa switching input methods, so kailangan mo lang i-uncheck tong let me use a different input method for each window. So kapag naka-check yan, and then kailangan mo lang itong i-uncheck tong let me use a different input method for each app windows. So uncheck natin yan. Alright. So in the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to remove the unwanted keyboard layout. So, all you have to do is same dito sa settings and then select mo lang dito yung time and language. And next step, dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung language and region. So, click mo lang yan. And dito sa language and regions, so dito lang sa preferred language or under dito sa language ay kailangan mo lang i-remove dito yung mga multiple keyboard language na makikita mo dito. Okay, so for example, mayroon tayo ditong multiple na language. So, dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung tatlong dot. And then next step ay click mo lang dito yung remove. And then are you sure you want to remove? And then click mo lang dito yung yes. Alright, so once na-remove na dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to modify the registry editor. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor and kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong registry editor, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung HK local machines. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yun para mag-expand. And then, next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung system folder. So, i-click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And dito sa system, and then kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung current control set folder. So, click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then, dito sa current control set, and then kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung control folder. So, same, click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And dito sa control ay kailangan mo lang ilocate dito yung keyboard layout. Okay, so scroll down. And then hanapin mo dito yung keyboard layouts. So may dalawang keyboard layout dito. Yung isa is keyboard layouts. So may S. Yung isa naman, keyboard layout lang yung without S. So dito yung pinakauna lang na without S na keyboard layout. So ang gagawin natin dito is one time click. At dito lang sa right pane ay kailangan mo lang mag-create dito ng new folder. So kung paano ba mag-create ng new folder? So dito lang sa blank space area, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click, select new, NK, and select mo lang dito yung dword 32-bit value. And once nakapag-create na tayo ng new folder, and then kailangan natin itong i-rename. So rename lang natin yan. Okay, so ito yung kailangan natin ilagay dito sa new folder na rename. Ignore remote keyboard layout. So magkakaduktong lahat yan. That is one word. And press mo lang yung enter. And then next step ay select and double click. And dito lang sa kanyang edit the word 32-bit value. So double check yung name. And dito lang sa value data yung 0 ay i-change mo yan into 1. At dito lang sa base ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung hexadecimal and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito sa registry and dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to stop Windows 11 from adding keyboard layouts automatically. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.